Welcome back. Basketball Federation of India on Monday conducted selection trials to select Goan players for the fast approaching Lusofonia Games. American coach Scott Fleming put the local players through various drills to test their caliber. As such, it is now certain that the Goan players will be part of the Lusofonia Games basketball team. The BFI meanwhile is looking to take the sport to the next level, with proper training being the focus, says Chief National Coach KK Chansoria.
Ending weeks of uncertainty over the future of Goan basketball players in view of the Lusofonia Games, the Basketball Federation of India gave them a chance to show what they got. In charge of coaching the Indian men's basketball teams at all levels, Scott Fleming put the boys and girls on selection trials on Monday. The former Texas Legends assistant coach looked reasonably satisfied with the local players.
Well, first of all, it's great being in Goa. It's my first time. I've heard many good things about Goa. Looking forward to seeing the water and all that. But as far as basketball goes, yeah, we're excited to be here and try out your men and women to play in the Lusofonia Games. And so that's what we're doing right now, and putting them through some drills, and then we're going to just see them play 5-on-5, and we'll make a decision later on who the ones will be picked for the team.
As far as the local talent goes, what has been your first impression?
Well, there's some that are stronger than others. Right now we're getting a feel for that. We've only had about an hour with them at this point, so we'll know better later. But we had some good ball handlers in there.
Chief National Coach of Basketball Federation of India, KK Chansoria, revealed that the Basketball Federation of India wants to provide good quality coaching to youngsters to take the sport forward in the country.
As far as the policy of Basketball Federation of India is concerned, that we are trying to concentrate, our complete emphasis is upon the slogan that catch them young and train them properly. So we are trying to concentrate for all the categories, starting from under 14 boys and girls, later on coming to under 16 youth boys and girls, coming to junior boys and girls, and senior man and women. In both the section, whether it is man or women, for men's section, we have got the services of celebrated coach Mr. Scott from America. He is looking after entire men's section, whether it is senior, junior, under 16, or we are getting his advice for under 14. Our recent good achievement is in the men's section, we improved our performance from the previous 14 to 11. Similarly, in the girls section, recently we participated in ABC. There our position has come to 5th.
Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Dinesh Karpe from Panji.
It's Christmas time, and spurs your homes with beautiful items for Christmas. Prisoners at Sarasab jail have come forward to express joy during Christmas. Prisoners enjoyed preparing articles for sale under the theme Beyond Barriers.
एक्झिबिशन केलेले आहे जम्मूनी, पण हे आता स्पेशल आम्ही क्रिसमसाक लागून एक्झिबिशन दवरलेले आहा आनी सगळे क्रिसमसाचे आयटम्स कितें डेकोरेशन आयटम्स आहा पळय ते प्लेस केल्लेले आहा. हे आमचे सडा जेलीचे कैदी आहा पळय तेंच्यांनी एका 1 म्हयनो काम केलेलो आहा आनी एका म्हयन्या भितर हे सगळे डेकोरेशन आयटम्स तेंच्यांनी तयार केल्लेले आहा. तेंचो हिडन टॅलंट आमी तेंकां असले उपक्रम दिता आनी तेंचो भायर काडटा. तेच आमचे IG Prudent साहब तेंच्यांनी आमकां भरपूर सपोर्ट केला, प्रेसिडेंटांनी सपोर्ट केलेलो आनी आयज आमचे एक्झिबिशन हांगर आमी घातलेले आहा.
And with this we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.